Jamsharo City is a bustling urban center located in a picturesque region. Known for its rich cultural heritage and vibrant atmosphere, this city offers a diverse blend of traditions and modernity. The cityscape is adorned with a mix of contemporary skyscrapers and historic landmarks, providing a striking contrast. Jamsharo City is a hub of economic activity, with industries ranging from technology to manufacturing contributing to its growth. Its residents enjoy a high standard of living, with access to excellent educational institutions, healthcare facilities, and recreational amenities. The city is renowned for its culinary diversity, with restaurants and street vendors offering a wide array of delicious local and international cuisine. Additionally, its annual festivals and events showcase the city's cultural richness and draw visitors from near and far. Jamsharo City is also blessed with natural beauty, with lush parks and green spaces providing a respite from the urban hustle and bustle. Its people are known for their warmth and hospitality, making it a welcoming destination for travelers and newcomers alike. In summary, Jamsharo City is a dynamic metropolis that seamlessly combines tradition and progress, making it a remarkable place to live and visit.